All right, so what we want to do here again is set the display on these to none as long as we are within the range, and I'll jump back to our snippet slideshow partial, as long as we are within the range of our breakpoint smallest here. So now to figure out where to put this particular style, we need to think about whether we're editing the snippet slideshow component or the snippet component. We are affecting the styles in the snippet component, but it seems like we really just want this style to apply within the context of the snippet slideshow. So I think we're going to add a selector to our slideshow to adjust the styles of these images, the author thumbs. So again, the class that we're working with is snippet author thumb, and let's go back to our snippet slideshow partial. And I'm going to add a style here for snippet author thumb. And we want to hide this until the browser has a minimum width of this 670 pixels. So let's add this breakpoint. I'm just going to copy it from one of the other places where we're using it, and I'll paste it in. And so in this case, by default, that is when the browser is the smallest, we're going to set it to display none. And then once we hit the breakpoint, we'll override that and we'll display it as a block, which is what it is right now. Okay. Let's save this and refresh in the browser. And so we see our images. Then as we drop down to a certain point, it disappears. Not bad.